Good morning, everyone. You are most welcome in this session. Today I am going to teach you mathematics, and the topic is pictograph. Okay, so what is the pictograph? Now, by an example, we understand what is this. I have taken one data, that is number of present students in a school on Monday 36, on Tuesday 30, Wednesday 33, Thursday 39, Friday 30 and Saturday 27. This is the information of present students in particular days. Okay, so when you get information in numerical figures, it is known as numerical data. This is the numerical data. When you get information in numbers, is known as numerical data. Okay, you have now numerical data. When you got numerical data, okay, then when the numerical data is represented by pictures, is known as pictograph. Once again, when numerical data is represented by pictures, is known as pictograph. Okay, so here one thing also you have to keep in mind, you have to take first scale. In which scale you can take, you can represent. Okay, you have to decide the scale. So first, when you start drawing, take for one in two column. So two column you can take, that is a day. You will write first days. Okay, have written days one column. Okay, now this numerical data you have to represent by picture. So you know, if you draw one picture, now scale, you have to decide in which scale you will draw. If you represent one picture for one students, so you have to make 36 pictures, and it is a little tough. That's why if you take 3 students by 3, all are divisible, 3 the factors of all. So if you take one picture equal to 3 students, 3 present students, then it will be easier. So scale we have taken 3 students. Why 3? Because by 3 all are divisible. Okay, so now on Monday, how many students are present? Here write present students. Okay, so 36, for 36, how many picture you have to draw? One picture equal to 3. So by 3 when you divide, you get 12. 12 3 is 36. So you have to draw 12 picture. Okay, on Tuesday 30, so you have to make 10 figure. So make 10. Okay. On Wednesday 33. So you have to draw 11. And Thursday 39 divided by 3. So you have to draw 13. And now Friday 30. So you have to draw 10. And Saturday 27 is divided by 3. 9. Okay, this is known as the pictograph. When numerical data is represented by pictures, is known as pictograph. It is very simple. Only you have to take scales, in which scale you can take all the numerical data. Okay, I hope you got it. Now I take one more example. Now I have taken another example and it is just opposite. Here information given, pictograph has been given. You have to answer after looking the pictograph. Okay, and scale has been given. One picture equal to 100 students. The information given that the different modes of transports are used by the number of students. Okay, this is the number of students. This number of students, by this number of students, they go to the school on foot, and this is the information. By this they use a bicycle and by car this information, and by bus this information. Okay, after seeing the information you have to answer the following questions. Here question says, how many students go to school on foot? So on foot there are given 4 pictures and one picture represents 100 students. So 4 picture represents 400 students. So answer is 400 students. Okay, and second question, how many students use school bus? How many students use school bus? That is one picture given, one picture equal to 100 students. So 100 students use school bus. Okay, and C number, how many students use bicycle to go to their school? Bicycle, on bicycle 5 pictures have been given. So that is 500 students. Okay, and D number, how many students in all are there in school? So how many total students? You know, on foot this, on bicycle this, on car and bus. So if you add all that number of students, you will get total. So how many pictures given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 total pictures have been given. So 11 and one picture represents 100 students. So 11 into 100, 1100 students are total in the school. Okay, and next question in number, what mode is adopted by maximum number of students? So you know, on bicycle there are given 5 pictures, so 500 students go by bicycle. So which modes of transport? So bicycle is used by maximum number of students. Okay, so that is bicycle. So I have given 2 types of questions. First, that the numerical data has been given, you have to make the pictograph, and second type, that pictograph has been given, you have to give the answers only. Okay, I hope it is clear, and if you have more doubts, so you can ask in the Zoom meeting class. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye.